Another night, and here we are again. All our faults lay out.
Luke, I promise to love you when circumstances are good and circumstances are bad. I promise to forgive you as Christ forgives the church. I promise to be faithful to you and to keep myself only to you. I promise to be kind, gentle, and patient as Christ is patient to me. I promise to love you, to serve you, to submit to you, to respect you, and to follow you as long as we both are alive. Luke, I take you to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
Don't look down, hold on forever.
Michaela, as your husband, I promise that in our home, Christ will have first place. I promise that worship, service, and fellowship with Christians will take priority in our home. I promise to be faithful to you and to keep myself only unto you. I choose to love you every day when circumstances are good and when circumstances are bad, with the same kind of sacrificial love described in Ephesians 5. I promise to love you, nourish you, protect you, and cherish you for as long as we are alive. Michaela, I take you to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
I'm here and I won't leave you now. Don't look down, hold on forever. And we both know everything, but we can't learn to leave. So I'll tell you what you need. First thing we make you feel better. Next stop we pull it all together. I'll keep you warm like a sweater. Take my hand, hold on forever. Just fall apart if you need to. I'm here and I won't leave you now. Don't look down, hold on forever. Just take my hand, hold on forever. Hold on forever. Just take
My privilege and delight to introduce to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Luke Hovey.
And here we are again. All our faults lay out ahead. Let it out, then let it right back in. All those voices in your head. And we both know everything, but we can't learn to leave. So I'll tell you what you need. First thing we make you feel better. Next stop we pull it all together. I'll keep you warm like a sweater. Take my hand, hold on forever. Just fall apart if you need to. I'm here and I won't leave you now. Don't look down, hold on forever. Lay down all your troubles into him. They could reach up to the stars. So many roads you don't know where you've been, but you still know who you are. And if I seem crazy, wondering what to do. So here's my recipe for you. First thing we make you feel better. Next stop we pull it all together. I'll keep you warm like a sweater. Take my hand, hold on forever. Just fall apart if you need to. I'm here and I won't leave you now. Don't look down, hold on forever. And we both know everything, but we can't learn to leave. So I'll tell you what you need. First thing we make you feel better. Next stop we pull it all together. I'll keep you warm like a sweater. Take my hand.